It is important to always consult with a healthcare professional before taking new supplements or following any diet plans.
In a world where nature holds the secrets to well-being, 3 herbal teas emerge as the champions of health and vitality. Join us on a captivating journey as we unveil the intriguing powers of these extraordinary elixirs. Prepare to be amazed as we count down the top 3 herbal teas with astonishing health benefits. At 3 we have ginger tea. Ginger tea offers a range of health benefits due to the presence of various compounds in ginger, primarily gingerols, shagaols, gingerdials, and zingerone. These compounds work together to provide the following health benefits. Digestive health. Gingerols and shagaols in ginger tea have been found to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, enhance gastric motility, and promote the movement of food through the digestive system. This can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea by reducing muscle spasms and relaxing the gastrointestinal tract. Anti-inflammatory effects. Gingerols, shagaols, and gingerdials have demonstrated potent anti-inflammatory properties by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory chemicals, such as cytokines and prostaglandins. By reducing inflammation, ginger tea may help alleviate pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Nausea and vomiting relief. Gingerols and shagaols have shown antiemetic properties, meaning they can help reduce nausea and vomiting. These compounds act on the digestive system and central nervous system to inhibit the signals that trigger these symptoms. Ginger tea is commonly used to relieve morning sickness during pregnancy, chemotherapy-induced nausea, and motion sickness. Immune system support. Gingerols, along with zingerone and other antioxidants present in ginger tea, help support the immune system. These compounds scavenge free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can weaken the immune system. By protecting cells from damage, ginger tea may enhance immune function and contribute to overall health. Respiratory health. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of gingerols and zingerone in ginger tea can help soothe the respiratory tract. They may alleviate cough, reduce congestion, and provide relief from symptoms of respiratory conditions such as cold, flu, and bronchitis. Weight management. Ginger tea may aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. Gingerols and zingerone have been shown to increase thermogenesis, the body's calorie burning process, and enhance fat breakdown. Additionally, these compounds can promote satiety, helping to control food cravings and reduce calorie intake. It's important to note that the health benefits of ginger tea are a result of the combined effects of multiple compounds rather than a single compound alone. Gingerols, shagaols, gingerdials, and zingerone work synergistically to provide these effects. However, further research is needed to fully understand the precise mechanisms and interactions between these compounds. At number 2 we have peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a popular herbal tea known for its refreshing taste and potential health benefits. It is made by steeping the leaves of the peppermint plant, mentha and piperita, in hot water. Peppermint tea contains several compounds that contribute to its therapeutic properties. One of the significant health benefits of peppermint tea is its ability to support digestion and alleviate digestive issues. It helps relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which may relieve symptoms such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. The main compound responsible for this effect is menthol, which acts as a smooth muscle relaxant. Peppermint tea has shown promise in managing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a common gastrointestinal disorder. It may help reduce abdominal pain, bloating, and improve stool frequency. The antispasmodic properties of menthol in peppermint tea are believed to be responsible for its ability to alleviate IBS symptoms. In addition to its digestive benefits, peppermint tea provides respiratory support. It has a soothing effect on the respiratory system and can help relieve congestion, cough, and symptoms associated with the common cold and respiratory infections. Menthol, one of the major compounds in peppermint tea, acts as a decongestant and can help clear the airways. Peppermint tea has also been found to provide relief from headaches and migraines. The menthol content in the tea has a calming effect on the muscles and blood vessels, potentially reducing the intensity and duration of headaches. Another notable benefit of peppermint tea is its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains various antioxidants such as rosmarinic acid and flavonoids, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and prevent cellular damage caused by free radicals. Peppermint tea is known for its breath-freshening properties and potential benefits for oral health. It has antimicrobial properties that may help combat oral bacteria, reducing the risk of dental plaque, cavities, and bad breath. Lastly, the aroma of peppermint tea has a calming effect and can help reduce stress and anxiety. It may promote relaxation and improve mood. Finally, on top at number 1 is chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, derived from the flowers of the chamomile plant, offers a range of potential health benefits and soothing properties due to its composition of various elements and compounds. It contains apigenin and bisabolol, which have calming effects, making it an excellent choice for relaxation and improved sleep. The tea's volatile oils, such as bisabolol and chamomile, contribute to its ability to soothe digestive discomforts like indigestion, bloating, and gas by relaxing the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract. Additionally, chamomile tea's chamomile content, along with other flavonoids and phenolic compounds, provides anti-inflammatory effects that may benefit conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. The rich antioxidant content of chamomile tea, including flavonoids like apigenin, quercetin, and patulatin, offers protective benefits against harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. Chamomile tea's anti-inflammatory compounds, such as bisabolol and chamomile, as well as its antioxidants, make it beneficial for promoting skin health by soothing irritations, reducing redness, and aiding in healing for conditions like eczema, acne, and minor wounds. Moreover, chamomile tea's compounds help alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort by relaxing the uterus and reducing muscle spasms. The tea's antimicrobial properties, contributed by compounds like apigenin and flavonoids, may support the immune system by aiding in fighting off infections and protecting against bacteria and viruses. While chamomile tea is generally safe, it's important to be mindful of potential allergies and consult a healthcare professional if there are any concerns or existing medical conditions. Overall, chamomile tea provides a natural and soothing option with numerous potential health benefits. This concludes today's video. Thank you for tuning in.